How to play missions in Gunship Battle Helicopter 3D. First of all, open the game and go to the episode section where all available missions are listed. Here you can see the mission episodes. Next, select an episode with the mission you want to complete that fits your current helicopter's level and capabilities. Some missions are easier and provide basic rewards, while others are more challenging and offer higher rewards. Before starting, check the mission objectives carefully. Objectives may include destroying enemy targets, protecting allies, or completing the mission within a time limit. Planning your approach will help you complete missions more efficiently. During the mission, control your helicopter using the movement and attack buttons. Use your weapons wisely to eliminate the enemies while avoiding damage. Upgrading helicopters perform better, so make sure your helicopter is upgraded for the best result. After completing the mission, collect all rewards including coins, gold, and experience points. You can replay missions to improve your score or earn extra rewards, making it easier to progress faster in the game. Now you know how to play mission in Gunship Battle Helicopter 3D. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.